This is where it gets wild. Look at that. So they're going full bore on NexRad Doppler radar. And if you want to save the information, you come up here. You push save animation. Uh-oh. You can't do that. So you turn the Doppler all the way up and tell me I can't record it? Well, I have a recording device. Oh, we're working on the site. Yep. They're working on the site. That's why you can't. But I can download it. That's why people have cameras. Look at that. Isn't that insane? That's crazy. And they're hiding it. They're hiding it from everyone. They're even trying to hide it from me now. Maybe they saw one of my videos. Two chemtrails crossing. What's the difference between the two? And look where this one stops. Is there a temperature difference right there? Is it different air right there? It's a condensation trail, or did they turn on a chemtrail? They turned on a chemtrail. Down here they made a corner and they turned it off. This is also a chemtrail. Series of chemtrails. More chemtrails. More chemtrails. This entire weather system they're designing is chemtrails. It's all chemtrails. There's no weather system today. They manufactured it. This is called Satan, Stratospheric Aerosol Transportation and Nucleation. Satan. That's what they call it. There's also the MASS program. There's the Stratospheric Injection program. There's several different programs in the United Kingdom, Britain, England, just okayed it. And so they up the chemtrails over America like we have something to do with Britain. We have nothing to do with that country. We fought them to a bloody battle for a reason, to get away from them. We're still suffering from this global bullshit.